Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. An experienced and certified detective is about to educate you with facts and not hyperbole. I have just received a few videos of an incident in Montego Bay, Jamaica, today, July 19, 2022. And why I've never known that our people have gone from crazy to the craziest people in the world in the middle of the day. Two licensed firearm holder having a shootout between each other. And I'm going to let you listen at the end of this video what causes um, the problem. A simple little issue. But ego is a hell of a thing, especially when it comes on to male. This ego thing. People cannot communicate, and you understand. People feel that because you are saying something, you're being disrespectful and you're this me and you're for dead. That's the mantra of Jamaican, and they need to take it out. You understand? They need to change the culture and start to respect each other. You have to see yourself in another person. What I am telling you. So I want you to watch this part of the video. You understand?
Top best man, come on.
Wow, I'm done. Driver, what's your glass? Nine so one glass, I feel my carrier. Most license for around what? You know, it's your most license, man. Some man not red shirt there. But see man in a red shirt, I see now. See man now.
Who of them get shot?
Who of them get?
Hey, listen now.
That's fine, Ola. Lights to gun. Yeah. When the man there, someone are bleed. Marina. No.
When I look for gum, money is fiction. Jump!
We'll get shot. You know, I'm
You see them, you know what I said? And me I said, move the van, make me pass. The man come up and shoot me. I know me not do a say don't shoot me, me not put in a head. I tell him to get.
Big man.
Yes, as you can see, that is Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. Why that's a live shootout you're seeing here. But you know what I would love what we'd love to see? The same way that we are getting it from the people with the license firearm holders. That's how we'd like to see in time these boys committing the murders, we can get them on the videos too. So that they know that they will get caught, just like the ones in Hanover, the other, last week when we saw the videos that came out. You understand? But it's just stupidity because based on information, both men are licensed firearm holders, and this thing only started from a minor traffic accident. You understand? It is said that the man in the red is a firefighter, and he went over to the man who was in the white, t-shirt, marina, and boxed the big man in his face. You understand? That is what he said. And the man in the white pulled his gun and shot him. Then the firefighter pulled his. But you can say that both of them were shot. But I don't. Why I that kind of mind-boggling. But hey, look, this is Jamaica, and some serious thing has been happening there. You understand? Every minute there's something going on in this. I don't know what is going on. You understand? So in the middle of Shamshad Square, you have two license firearm holders, behaving like it's like the wild west, You understand? Like cowboys shooting after each other, and both of them can't shoot. You understand? Because the shot that both of them get was close range, You understand? But you can see the old man, the old man more aggressive, because but he's firing his gun like some real old corals, some real like some bad man, because if he was firing his gun like the way that he's supposed to have both hands on it, you would get a better end result. But I'm not gonna teach people about those things, you understand? So, you know. And it is said that the man in the the man in the red, the man in the red, said to the other man, "Suck your mother," and the other man pulled, and then that's how the shooting started. That is just nonsense. You understand? But there's never a dull day in Jamaica. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and most of all, comment below. What do you think about this video? And what do you think that we can do to help even the older people in Jamaica? Because these are two grown men, And you hear what the old man says when the police are about to take him off to get medical help. If he had known that the man would shot him, but the man shot him in his hand, the firefighter. You understand? I don't know if he was shot in his car, then the police will be able to blood splatter inside there and all kind of stuff. But after that, none of them, both of them, they only received injury and nobody died. But man, there's no real dull day in Jamaica. Welcome to the criminals' paradise, Jamaica. Why both men they have no regard for other people's life. You understand? The one that started it, he should be severely punished because there's no reason for you to shoot the other man without, the man wasn't, he was not a threat to you or trying to harm you. You understand? Have yourself a blessed day. One love. Cool.